There are many ways to go to a place. For example, take 飞机. 飞机 airplane. 飞机 airplane. An airport is a 飞机场. But how to say take airplane? We say 坐. 坐 original meaning is to sit on. Sit on the chair or sit on the airplane. Sit on the airplane is to take the airplane. So 坐飞机 take airplane. 坐 means to take a vehicle. So 坐地铁 地铁 underground iron road. So it's a subway. 地铁 subway. Take subway. 坐地铁。走 to walk. To walk. And 路 is a road. 走路 walk on road. It's go by foot to walk. 走路 walk. 骑车 Before, when we say take taxi, we say 打车. We know 车 means a car. But here, this 车 is not a car. It's a bike. It's also a vehicle. 骑 originally means ride a horse. But here, you ride a 车, 骑车 not means ride a horse. It's ride a bicycle. 骑车